Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to highly compress a file size using WinRAR. So if you don't have WinRAR already installed, go to rarlab.com, then go to Downloads and install the latest version of WinRAR. So once you have that done, you want to find your file. Mine's here, so let's right click it and see the properties. It's 1.97 megabyte. Not too big, but don't worry, this will work on any size of file. So once you find the file that you want to compress, right click it, find WinRAR, then select Archive to, then you want to select Create Solid Archive and Lock Archive. Now the advanced options, files, backup, time and comments don't need to be messed with. You just want to press OK once you've selected the directory size, Create Solid Archive and Lock Archive. So let's press OK. As you can see, because my file is only small, it's quickly compressed it, and here it is. So let's right click it, properties this time, it's 1.83 megabyte. The original was 1.98. Not a great compression, however, if it's a bigger file, the compression is much greater. Now to extract it, you want to right click it, WinRAR, extract files, and it'll extract the files into this location. So that's how to highly compress file size using WinRAR. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.